Okay guys, for everyone who followed me on Instagram has probably seen the news already. And before I start this video, I just really want to thank you guys, because without all of you, this would have never ever happened. And the exciting project I've been working on the last few weeks is that I'm opening up a pop-up restaurant along a Michelin star chef in New York City. I'm doing this collab with Chef George Mendes, and it's been such like a fun experience. Yesterday we were doing all the reconstructions in the restaurant, and it kind of like, I don't know, I still like need to hit myself in the face. It's like, wow, this just happened, and I'm just so excited for this. George has asked me to create 3 dishes for the menu. The last few weeks we've been putting the menu together, we've been trying all the recipes, we've been tasting, and yeah, in this video I just really want to show you guys the journey of the pop-up restaurant, or the journey of Chef Sanne. Everyone knows how much I love to cook. And a big reason is because I love how food brings people together. The name of the restaurant is going to be Omar, which means to love in Portuguese. I know I have some Brazilian and Portuguese friends here, right? We all have dreams, and I know we all have things we love to do. Share them with me, because I would love to know. Because without this strong community, I wouldn't be where I am today. I wouldn't have pursued cooking, and I don't think I would have ever decided to study health and nutrition. When I was on my way to the first meeting with the chef George Mendes, it kind of hit me. We've started this wellness journey just 1 year ago. George is an amazing chef, someone I've learned a lot from in such a short period of time. He's a badass and has a Michelin star. George asked me to create 3 recipes for the menu, and I decided to look for inspiration in the recipes I've shared on my channel. Familiar favorites from my past videos, and some new ones inspired by everything I've learned over the past. I was inspired by summer and the idea that we can use food to do more than just give us energy. Food can affect our skin, improve your immune system, make you happy, and it can help you grow. As a model, wellness is really important, so I've always made food inspired by my childhood, fresh and cooked at home. I wanted to create dishes with wellness in mind to support you from the inside out. I found everything I needed on the farmer's market and the local grocery store. And after testing them a few times myself, I was off to Aldea, George's restaurant, to do a recipe testing for the menu. Look who we have there. Hello. How are you?
How are you?
Here we're gonna make some magic today.
Yeah, we're gonna make some magic, make some salads, and make some fish. And
perfect. I got like groceries.
Awesome. Yeah.
So yeah, let's get cooking.
Yes.
Okay, so we made this huge bowl onto the granola here. I think I've never ever made such a big batch of granola.
Party size.
Party size, yeah. It looks fantastico. What is fantastic in Portuguese?
Fantastico.
Fantastic. Oh, really? Okay, so I'm learning Portuguese and cooking skills at the same time, which is amazing.
Alright, so we're gonna go in the oven?
Yes, let's go in the oven. If you followed me from the beginning, you might know that this 1.5 years ago was the start of the chef journey. give it a try.
I go for the greens first.
Oh my god, it's so good. I really like the cucumber. I really like it.
Nice crunch comes through. The fresh greens. You taste the baby spinach. The arugula comes through. The mustard green comes through.
I can't wait for you guys to try this. Yeah, this one is definitely fruit. I think I'm gonna stop by every day in Soho as well. All my meetings, Soho. Wow, this was such a fun experience. I don't consider myself a professional chef, but I have learned so much in the kitchen with George about like cooking skills, about knife techniques, about how to work in a kitchen, and that was honestly like one of the best experiences of my life. So the 3 items which will be on the menu, the first one is going to be acai bowl with my famous homemade granola. Many of you guys have tried to make this at home as well. The second is a skin booster salad with grilled zucchini, grilled asparagus, an avocado dressing, and a honey Dijon salmon. And the third one, I think this is actually my favorite one. This is a turmeric cauliflower coconut curry. Do I say it right? Yeah. And honestly, it tastes amazing and I can't wait for you guys to try this out. So after we tried everything in the kitchen, we had to create the menu, we had to photograph the food, which I had so much fun because I just love to be creative and to like mess around with that. And yeah, after that the reconstructions of the restaurant started. We had only 5 days to transform the restaurant into Amar. I will give you guys a little behind the scenes of the process. In the middle of Soho, on the corner of Spring and Lafayette, is the chef's counter located. We have 5 days to install Amar and to get everything ready to go. So guys, this is the end of the video and I'm so stoked. So if you are in New York City in June, July or August, then don't forget to stop by. Tag me in the pictures because I'm really curious what you guys think of it. And again, I just really want to thank all of you guys. If you're new to the channel, then please hit the subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video.